to the reader's theater of the story Paperboats. Anna gently walked towards the stream. She launched her paper boat. It sailed down the stream. Swiftly she was happy. Suddenly something horrible happened. A fat boy pounced on one of her boats and pulled it. He turned the boat upside down. Stared at the boy. She was fat and dirty. Anna was angry. She ran home. That naughty boy, he overturned my boat. Don't worry, I will make another one for you. But if he takes that one too, okay then, I will make a few more for you. That if he takes all of them, no, he won't. I will make a few for him as well. Why can't he make them himself? He is so big. Maybe no one has taught him how to make boat. Here, go and have fun. Here you are. I will launch my boats. Thank you. I will launch my boats. Oh, my boat got caught in a heap of mud. Don't worry. I will pull your boat out of water. Thank you. In a flash, the boy jumped into the stream and pulled the boat out of the water. He gave it to Anna. She took the boat and smiled. The boy smiled back pleasantly. Anna placed another boat in the stream. It sailed swiftly and drifted past Anna, and the boy looked at each other and smiled.